Hello, guys. Good morning. Good morning, everyone. How are you guys? How's your morning? How are you doing? Hello, hello, everyone. Hello, hello. Tell me if you're gonna win today. I know I cannot see the future. Hello, hello, hello. What is Dasha? It's my name. Ask my mom why she named me Dasha. Good morning, everyone. Maybe just random name. It's not mine. Mhm. Okay, guys, how's your morning? Any trades? Any setups? Well, SMT. Hello, hello. 3R. Oh, that's nice. So let's start analyzing gold. Guys, see this perfect chart on Euro? Isn't that amazing, guys? Brilliant move to previous week high level. Amazing move. Japanese yen, as I said, I would like to long on my personal account. I didn't. So I didn't even pay attention. Like, we got perfect smart money reversal yesterday on Japanese yen. Who got long on Japanese yen? You don't feel comfortable right now to trade all-time high? Just don't trade in Q. How's my advice? You like it? Okay, guys, let's analyze gold. By the way, guys, as you can see, I changed the color of my chart and candlesticks because I feel like my eyes hurt recently, and that's probably because of like bright screen. So I might just a bit like more soft colors. Right? Okay. We have confirmed sweep on daily chart, right? Switching on hourly, since we have confirmed sweep on daily chart, we got 1 hour order block, which confirmed potential daily sweep yesterday. And today we just hit hourly order block, right? Fresh order block on new daily candle. So far, just trying to give us reaction from this hourly OB, and we have potential 30-minute sweep. But as you can see, even if we have potential 30-minute sweep, we don't have OB just yet. You long gold. What setup do you trade right now, if you don't mind me to ask? Hmm? Good morning, good morning. Because I still don't see setup for long. Oh, okay. My question for you. You said you got long on micro gold. That's fine. You said you used 4-hour order block. That's brilliant. Do you have smart money reversal? Do we have smart money reversal from this 4-hour OB? Do we? I don't think so. This means you entered the trade extremely aggressive. Ah, come on! Why FOMO? We want to be patient with setup, which means high time frame level give us lower time frame market maker model. And in order to confirm this, we must have smart money reversal. Come on! Indicator for OB, yes, I do have. Give me 1 second. Here's indicator for order block. Send in the chat. Come on. We want to be patient. We cannot blindly enter the trade simply because we want to see something, right? You're welcome. So we must have smart money reversal to confirm high time frame structure. This is how we trade market maker model, right? We don't have it yet. So you are kind of fast, in my opinion, with this trade. Come on. You want to be smart, right? So at this point, we either need to have 15-minute smart money reversal since we got 4-hour PD ray, which is for our OB, or we need to have 5-minute structure since we also entered hourly order block, which is bullish PD ray. We don't have it yet. We have absolutely nothing. And also we have potential 30-minute SIP, which confirmed by nothing, right? What indicator for high time frame? Oh, of course, I'm going to send you. Just change the colors. Any color you like, but here's indicator. Send in the chat. So we don't want to blindly enter the trades, right? So my funded futures right now running 5% off for like overall on any accounts. But from 10 to 10:30, with my code, you will be able to get 20% off on any account, any size. My funded futures. And at 10 a.m., I will switch streaming to my funded futures TV today. So I will stream until like 9:50, basically 1 hour. Then I switch on my funded futures TV. So I will see you there, guys, for flash sale. On those indicators, I mean, I have a video about this. Just go on my YouTube. It even calls like ICT indicators. I shared every single setting there. Hello, 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 everyone. Yeah, it's on personal account taken, nothing on funded accounts yet. Same setup over and over again. We got 3-minute order block over here. Short. For 2R, right? I'm from Belarus. One second. On screen, exactly. Yes, of course. So I'm waiting for smart money reversal, also for trade on my funded futures account. Here's order block thesis. It was formed today at 3 a.m. That's all we have. I'm sitting on gold right now. So as you can see, we have daily chart. So we have sweep, right? We hit breaker block. We hit daily fair value gap. We got move from external to internal range liquidity on daily, right? So, and like once again, we got bullish, 2 bullish PD rays, daily breaker block. We got daily fair value gap. Also, we got sweep. And in order to confirm the sweep, we must get hourly structure. On hourly, we got the structure. So a structure was this OB. Pretty much happy so far from this order block. So I cannot see like sold reaction just yet. Let me see. I think like my ninja is frozen. Oh no. I was like, why my chart is not moving? Okay, we got once again, 1 hour order block. Why I use bodies but not wicks? Because we got huge wick. I'm not interested in like entire candle, so I will only use open of done close candle. Sequence of done close candles is going to be my OB to confirm sweep. After this, we got new day, and next daily candle opened with a fresh order block. But also we just did trace down to discount of this leg up, and we hit another hourly OB. Also, we have, as someone said, oops, not here. As someone said, we got, yes, we got 4 hour order block. Give me 1 second. Yeah. We have 4 hour OB, but in order to long this, because we don't see long setup just yet, we need to have 15 minutes smart money reversal to trade 4 hour order block. Okay, that's like lots of, it's going to take so much time to do this, right? So also, since we hit hourly OB, we can get maybe 5 minutes structure. So basically, we can have 5 minutes structure by 5 minute change in the state of delivery. Or we can use potential sweep. For example, on Tory chart. This potential sweep not confirmed by OB as well. So basically, even if I want to long, I cannot do this because structure still remains bearish. Can you explain smart money reversal? Of course. You asked me about this. Order flow king. You can, yes, you can swing futures on your account. I hope it makes sense. I'm from Belarus, country next to Russia. But I don't live there, so just I was born there. You need to check broker first. So every broker has different information. So just Google it. Again what? From Belarus? Like I need to create like window over here. Like I am from Belarus. Yes, my accent is Russian. Oh yeah. Yes, so you should use email today or tomorrow, so don't worry about it. Hello everyone. Hello. Okay, let's see what we have on NQ and on ES. By the way, I'm bullish still, so I put projections. It's 30-minute projections. So I would like to show you this on forward chart. So my key level for today on NQ is 24,078. So I would like to see we going there. So I'm not, here's my analysis. I put this yesterday before I went to bed. So I want to see slight retracement, never happened. I want to see retracement to this for value gap, pump. Let's see if we get any reaction from 078, maybe 100. So basically, I will highlight the range that I would like to see. Oops. Okay. I would like to see reaction from this level. As you can see, I highlight reaction back to new week opening gap. Not sure yet, but something like this. Normally, yes, NQ and gold supposed to be opposite, but recently moves kind of in the same direction. Can you make video on ICT logo? Why you need this? It's not going to improve your trading. Like, you don't need this information. And 6,500, as I said on Monday, is key level on ES. So maybe after the retracement, 6,500 is going to be key level. Of course, I'm going to show you. It was 30-minute chart. Let me show you. This Lexus from last week. and I pull projection. Also, let's consider potential structure based on standard deviation projections. So what we would like to see from 2 and 2.5, we would like to see the retracement down to 1 and 1.5. Did we get this? Yes, we got this. The range between 1 and 1.5, I would like to get inversion fair value gap, basically second stage of reaccumulation redistribution. So we got shift in structure again, right? And if we can get shift in structure again, as the action from 1 and 1.5, I would like to see straight move up to 4 standard deviation. So we still have room to go higher. I would like to see higher today. Hello, Alice. So 078, keep this level on your chart. 078 is our key level for today. 078. Four standard deviation. And you would like to keep on your chart 6500 on yes, psychological level. 13 points away, 50 points away. So I'm not saying it should pump right at market open. I know. But let's see. So I would like to be bullish on gold. We don't have any smart money reversal to be just bullish. Just yet. Not yet. I mean, I would like to be bullish, especially from as the action from daily fair value gap, but zero signs of reversal. 070, I have 078. I use 30-minute manipulation leg. So yes, your level is exactly the same. So guys, once again, you should understand that every single move that market makes is a part of market maker model. On low time frame, on high time frame, I don't care. So every single move that market makes is part of market maker model. And considering gold, we hit some PD raise, bullish PD raise. But you must understand, in order to consider smart money reversal first, yes, we must have high time frame level. But on lower time frame, we should get the structure. We should get the shift. We don't have smart money reversal. We have absolutely zero signs of reversal. Nothing. So it's still more bearish than bullish. This is what I'm trying to tell you guys. Should drop a bit lower. Which one? Long? No. On personal short over here, yes. Nothing on funded. Would like to trade funded today. Yeah, someone asked about this. We also inside daily fair value gap. That's amazing, guys. Like, I'm not going to argue about potential long. Yes. But totally possible. Especially we have 4-hour untapped fair value gap higher. Yes, I would like to see reaction from daily fair value gap. But reaction must be confirmed by smart money reversal. You said you're not going to touch gold until it exits range. I believe it. Let me see. I just would like to make sure. We're inside the range since April. 4 months. It's still tradable, just for scalps. Right? It's still tradable. At least it moves better than NQ, in my opinion. At least it moves both sides. Like, you can get perfect long, you can get perfect short, while on NQ, just long with closed eyes. And without stop loss. I'm kidding right now. Right? So, as I said before, the most common mistake people see, like potential sweep over here, right? I mean, like, oh, it's startup soup, let me long this. And they keep getting stopped out simply because they don't want to wait for lower time frame structure. That's why we use time frame alignment chart. Like, daily chart, H1, H4, M15, H1, M5. It's 5-minute chart. M30, M3, M15, M1. So here's your time frame alignment chart. This means if we're talking about any high time frame PD potential sweep startle soups, we must get something on these time frames. If it's daily, I must get confirmation on hourly. If it's, let's say, hourly, I must get confirmation on 5-minute chart, and so on. Make sense? I hope so. Yesterday I took class. It was PM. No, lunch PM. I was down $329 on my fund of futures. So it is what it is, guys. Shared the trade on Twitter if you're interested in this. So unfortunately, this happens. Hard to avoid losses, but I did my best. Here's a statistic on my funded futures account for this month. Order block. I trade order blocks. So I'm not sad about this. It's part of the game. So once again, I'm not trying to recover losses. I saw like, okay, I'm wrong direction. I'm not going to try to pick the top again. Like, if I cannot see the top, okay, I'm going to call today. So loss, then loss. I will try again tomorrow. I don't want to make my loss bigger because once again, every single time when I'm trying to recover, my loss becoming bigger. It was my funded futures journal. I mean, like statistic on their website, on my account. So I mean, once again, the first rule, never short all-time high. Never ever short all-time high. This rule was broken with success. I always keep in mind, like, Dasha, you don't want to short all-time high. You're smart. Who's short in all-time high? Of course, Dasha shorts all-time high. Oh, come on. And I tried. Paid for this, so okay. Not going to complain about losses. Could be better, but this loss avoidable. But once again, hard. Hate when we trading at all-time highs. That's why probably I'm doing better than Q recently. Guys, once again, it's funny to say, but from last week, I was trying to trade in Q. Like, only one trade was winning, as it was, like, losing trades. And again, like, I tried yesterday and losing trade, so 2 weeks, and I already have 3 losses. Within these 2 weeks, less than 2 weeks. Like, how many days? 7 trading days. Today's Wednesday, right? 7 trading days, I already have 3 losses. Okay. All right. I have winners on swing trades, so I swing this trade. I got gold 80 points last week, but my funded accounts, like especially Apex, ended up being red last week. I didn't trade them yesterday, only my funded futures. It's in Q. Everything like universe trying to tell you, Dasha, just stop trading in Q. Like, why not? Any long? Not yet. If you're asking about gold. I'm just trying to reduce my size. I don't want to risk more than $350, $400. Yesterday I got amazing trade on Euro futures. I'm doing well. So I'm doing well overall, but not on NQ. I just, it's funny to say. I see perfect picture on a high time frame, but I'm maybe I'm blind, but I cannot see perfect structure on lower time frame to engage. Short-term bearish, which level you would like to aim for? If you don't mind me to ask. Waiting for hot inside. What trade copy I use every single time? Only one copy, Replikanto. On Ninja Trader. Yes. If it's not gold, you can. If it's not in Q, you can actually trade gold. I see absolutely nothing wrong with this. Did you trade Euro yesterday to previous week high level? I would like to see the tracement down to daily open. Oops. My key level is 1 point. It's Euro future, so you need to adjust accordingly. That's my key level for Euro daily open. Depends. Ninja Trader as a broker? You want to trade Ninja Trader as a broker for swing trading or over like your personal account? Yes, it's possible. If so. I mean, I would like to see lower, slightly lower on Euro to daily open, 6 p.m. Daily open. Where is my 6 p.m.? Where's 6 p.m.? Over here. Okay. Here's daily open. That's the plan. Oh yeah, of course. I would say every single setup is every single PD ray, every single mother works. So if you trade breakers and you want to add scale with order blocks, go for it. On other accounts as well, yes. But once again, it totally depends. If you let's say you trade your evaluation funded account on Ninja Trader, but it's trader weight connection. Let's say so, okay? This means you're going to connect your trader weight account to TradingView. It's fine. If it's not rhythmic, you can connect your trader weight. Nothing wrong with this. Hello, hello. Oops, 5-minute chart. Come on, Dasha. Mm-hmm. We have flat candle. We have 5-minute untapped fair value gap. I'm not sure yet, but I will short. Probably will look for short on Euro futures if it may create another 5-minute OB after retracement. Not sure exactly where, maybe slightly higher, but you got my point. Not sure where, somewhere here. Somewhere here, I don't know where. Yet, if we get this retracement. Only 5-minute OB, I'm not going to trade fair value gaps, displacements, I will look for trade of order block. If we get this. Something like this. Guys, what do you think about this? It's futures, so you can trade this on your futures account. Let me see if I can execute it in my funded futures. 1 second. You can. Yes, you can trade this on my funded futures. Are you serious? It calls Replikanto. Here's the plan for euro. If we get 5-minute OB after retracement, maybe slightly higher retracement. I agree with you. ES looks way better than NQ recently. I'm bullish on both assets. I would like to see 6,500 on ES, and I would like to see 078 on NQ. You're welcome. You're welcome. Let's highlight, by the way, key levels. As you can see, my chart is empty. Okay. We never retraced to New York midnight open. But it's like 100 points away. Hard to believe it's going to retrace just yet. Okay. Oh. We have lots of overnight levels lower. I didn't even see this. Minor retracement before moving higher. Preferably, but if it wants to go to 078, 100 first, I will look for the action from there. Okay. Guys, today at 10 a.m. I will stream at My Funded Futures TV, and at 10 a.m. I will start flash sale on My Funded Futures for 20% off on any accounts, any size, because current sale is only 5%. That's it, so I don't need any other levels, I believe. Also, I changed the colors of my background and candlesticks, so maybe it will hurt my eyes less because it was kind of bright. I didn't realize this before, only yesterday. So we still don't have any structure on gold. As you can see, we just got sweep, but nothing else. So structure still remains bearish. Maybe it wants to take sell side liquidity first at 3401, 3400, somewhere there. But still nothing too long if you want to long this. Let's see if we got 2R of this order block. Give me 1 second. Closure. So 2R for this fresh OB right at sell side. Can you do? Yeah, of course. So I'm bullish on NQ. My final target for this move up just yet. 078, and from this purple box, actually a bit lower. Give me 1 second. 040, like institutional level, psychological level. From this purple box, I would like to see the action. This means if at the open it wants to pump, like pump and that's it. I would like to see short from this area. I didn't short yesterday. It's today's trade, like 3-minute chart. No, you don't need any fair value gaps, inversion fair value gaps. Sweep pretty much is enough. Okay, daily open lights up with New York midnight open. By the way, here's my plan, like maybe for the next week. This night, like I did this analysis yesterday, I want to see we're going to 4-hour value gap, and I want to see the action from this 4-hour value gap up to force standard deviation. Okay. So if not going to retrace to 4-hour value gap first, I will look for short to this 4-hour value gap from this area. Just told you my notes. I have video about standard deviation projections. Oh yeah, let me show you. Give me 1 second. So I use this leg. Let me show you 1 second. This leg on NQ. So basically we got accumulation, manipulation, and distribution. So leg from last week, Tuesday. You're welcome. That's the plan. To trade to force standard deviation, maybe slightly higher, and look for short from this level. Once again, totally depends on what we'll get right at the open. Like retracement down first to hit this force standard deviation later, or force standard deviation first to short later. Enable. Let me send you. Can you please send me a message on Twitter so I will try to help you with this? I trade order blocks, sweep order block. That's it. I agree about standard deviation. I still it's still hard to believe like reversing from standard deviation like levels for standard deviation 2.5 and so on. Like when we're trading above all-time high, it's hard to find like perfect level for reversal. It's impossible. So at this point, makes sense for me to use like medium time frame manipulation, like projections. Of order block, of course. Of course, I'm going to show you right now. It's my time frame alignment chart just for you guys. So we got potential SIP. So basically, it's up to you if you want to trade up close candle as order block over here, or you want to this internal order block. In my opinion, since high of this up close candle is higher than this up close candle, so I will show you example of this order block. So basically, an idea is, let me see, maybe 5-minute chart looks better. Yeah, let's do a 5-minute chart. I'm going to remove for a second. So we have potential sweep, right? Guys, who can tell me how we can confirm potential sweep? For example, just looking at an hourly chart right now. Okay, we got sweep, but we got sweep before as well. Why not to short this as turtle soup? Does anyone know? Okay, guys, why this setup play out and this one failed? Who knows? Why I cannot short, or I can short this turtle soup? We got sweep. What's wrong with this? Or nothing wrong with this. And here's our time frame alignment chart. So this helps us to avoid losses, right? This means if we want to talk about potential sweep, why it's potential? Because sweep must be confirmed by the closure within previous candle range, right? So basically, in order to confirm potential sweep that doesn't happen, right? Not happened yet. We must get 5-minute structure using time frame alignment chart. Okay, that's nice, that's brilliant. What happened over here? We didn't get any order block. So basically, yes, we got sweep, but the sweep wasn't confirmed by any structure, right? Nothing there. We don't have any 5-minute OB change in the state of delivery. But okay, it was failed. We wasn't this trade. And we know actually why. Okay, sorry guys, hourly chart over here. Okay, we got another sweep, potential sweep, right? So how I can confirm this? By 5-minute order block. I highlighted this with red candle. So why I want to use this up close candle but not this one? Because high of this candle is higher, right? Let me rename to liquidity. Is higher than this up close candle, okay? So this means I'm going to enter at the open of next candle. I'm going to put my stop loss at swing high or top of order block. It's up to you. And my task is to aim for 2R or any liquidity level that you have. Give me 1 second. 2R over here. Okay. This part makes sense, guys? I traded this on 3-minute chart. Yes. So basically, by change in the state of delivery, why we call a real order block as change in the state of delivery? Because it must change something. That's why it's change in the state of delivery, change in order flow, right? So this order block confirms change in order flow once again. This part makes sense? Using time frame alignment chart, if you have potential 30-minute sweep, take screenshot of this. So I want to use 3-minute chart. That's it. Make sense? For example, you want to ask me like, Dasha, why didn't long this potential sweep? Because we didn't get order block. Why didn't long this potential sweep? Because we don't have order block as well yet. Okay, guys, market is open. Thank you for letting me know. So first, looks like it wants to retrace first. It's okay. Maybe I will be happy with this to see retracement down first. Even right now, exactly same applies for NQ. We got potential 30-minute sweep. I cannot like short just yet, simply because I want to say, maybe that's turtle soup. It's not. It's not turtle soup yet. So turtle soup will be confirmed by 3-minute order block. So basically, we must use time frame alignment chart, right? So we must get 3-minute OB. Seems like we have low resistance to downside. At this point, if we didn't get this yet, but if we get this closure, we can drop at least here. I would say it's up to you. If you want to use potential hourly sweep with 5-minute OB, you want to use potential 30-minute sweep with 3-minute OB, pretty much always it's going to be the same sweep. So almost never it's like it has difference. Okay, still we don't have any structure to short this. Once again, absolutely nothing. We may just go to 6,500 on ES, as I said before, and 078 on NQ. Of course, we must trade in the direction of high from trend. I don't use, why I don't use 1-minute chart? I did use for a long time, but I noticed maybe for me personally, I see lots of noise there. So basically, I use 2-minute chart. But on 1-minute chart, I see lots of like invalidation, lots of bullish and bearish setups at the same time. So I decided to just shift to 2-minute chart because 2-minute chart is something between 1 and 5. Oh, is it just candles for each 30 minutes? 8:30 for this 30-minute chart. It's easier for me to see a new candle. Yeah, most of the time I trade between 7 and 9 a.m., like 99% of the time. Because normally we don't have perfect setup after market open on gold, unfortunately. So so let's see what will happen next. Nothing I like yet. No closure. So I keep highlighting new order blocks. We don't have the closure just yet. So we still don't have any shift in structure to upside. Unfortunately or fortunately. So still no structure for me. So slowly going to freeze first in a deviation. I wouldn't say slowly. Gold, it's okay. We have, basically I'm going to steam at 10. So 950, 10, 10 marker is the last time to trade. Yes, I believe in this, like measurements. Yes, exactly. Measuring moves. I believe in this. Like, for example, we got, let's say, we got like, not this one. We got leg up, retracement. Okay. I'm going to measure from current low to this measuring move, basically, from this current low. Like this. I believe in this. Vertical line. Give me 1 second. I'm going to send you. Sorry, guys. Here's a vertical line indicator. Everything's free. You can set any time frame, like separate any time frame you like. It's up to you. Pivot point. I don't have this kind of indicator, so are you serious? 1 second. Sorry about this, guys. We got the closure. Let's see if my frame is a trade. Guys, what do you think? Oh, you were fast. And Q going down. So at this point, let's see if gold can pump to this first key level. First internal buy side. Let's see. YM keep going higher. Extremely bullish, while ES kind of struggling so far. Let's see if we get pump. Maybe not to second key level, but at least first key level at this point. NQ can retrace. Let me see where I would like to see retracement real quick on NQ. Sorry guys, give me 1 second. Over here. So at this point, if you want to pump on gold to first key level, I would like to see 9:30 AM low on NQ. Let's see if we get this kind of move. Yes, still bullish. YM is still bullish, so let's see if we have empty model. 1 second. We don't have empty model just yet. Why? Because we got sequence of up close candles. So basically, 2-minute order block is going to be sequence of up close candles. Okay, we got huge wick, maybe not like sequence, but at least closure below this blue line, right? $6,500 on ES is my key level. It's also like psychological level. Just key level. So empty model will be for short with closure below blue line, I believe. I would like to see higher on gold, slightly higher to, give me 1 second, which price? 34.15. Let's see if we get some sort of move. Or empty model short this. CL nothing. Empty model on ES is going to be probably order block sequence of up close candles. The test of 9:30 AM low seems like. At this point, I would like to gold pumps to first key level. Let's see if we get this move. We have SMT with silver right now at highs. It's not great, but first key level needs to be taken. Guys, what do you think about this setup? Will it play out? Type 1 in the chat if it's going to play out, 2 if it's going to fail. Let's see how many people would like to see at least first, maybe not second like key level, but at least first one. Like, lots of 2s and lots of 1s. If everyone type 2, this means we will go to first key level. Guys, type 2 in the chat. Type 2 in the chat. So at this point, market makers will trade against the chat. Again. ICT logo magnet. I hope to. They spam because I asked them to spam. Let's see if I get first target. Why you need to see my kids? I'm not insisting in Q right now. And Q needs to take 9:30 AM low, so at 8:29. Do we have any news? My kids at daycare. My oldest son is school. I will probably move at break even right now. This trade. Okay, 4 more minutes and I will switch to my funded futures. I will move at break even this trade right now. So we got expansion to rejection block. Okay, 3 more minutes, guys, and I will switch to my funded futures TV. Let's see if I'm going to stop out at break even. So just aiming for first key level. So I do like how NQ just took 9:30 AM low. But honestly, at this point, I was thinking like gold will take first key level. I mean, I'm fine with break even, but I honestly would like to see TP. Which link? Oh, yeah, of course. Give me 1 second. Oh, of course, of course, of course. And here it is. And we will do flash sales there. Here's the link for my funded futures TV. Let's see if it's going to stamp me out at break even. Close to this. Let's see. Okay, guys, here's the link for my funded futures TV. We will do flash sales there. Not nice. It's about to start me out at break even, so I will make like a couple of dollars only. Unfortunately. It's going to be 20% off. Stopped out at break even. It's going to be 20% off for 20 minutes only. Yes. So, okay, it just gave us a reaction from a rejection block, guys. Stop me out at break even on this trade. I made just $1. Not switching, so I will look for another move again. Okay, guys, it's time to switch to my funded futures TV. I will see you there soon, in 10 minutes. We will do flash sales there. Gold, you acting like a kid. Be better with us. Not good, not good. I will think about our relationship in the future. Okay, guys, I sent link in the chat for my funded futures TV. Watch it goes to my TP right now. Why it's always me? Like, just tell me. Market makers are hiding my break even. Okay, guys, I will see you in my funded futures TV in 10 minutes. Okay. Okay, guys, see you soon in 10 minutes. It will go to at least first key level simply because, like, why not? Okay, guys, see you there in 5 minutes. Okay? Switching, I sent link in the chat. I sent link in the chat. Are you serious? Okay. Okay, guys, see you in my funded futures for flash sale.